Hello, I'm Norman LaPants, the Knight. I must protect the weak vowels from Gorgo the monster. I will use my special CK Protector Shield. Some words are spelled with CK at the end, and some have just a K, but they make the same sound. I'm so confused. When should I use my Protector Shield? Maybe this will help. Where a vowel is on its own and makes a weak sound, it needs protecting with CK. I can see a lonely, weak vowel. I must protect the little one from the monster. Here comes the monster attack. Aha! On guard! Take that, you monster! Gotcha! All these words have lonely, weak vowels, so I have protected them with CK. Remember, where you have a vowel on its own that makes a weak sound, use the protector CK. Where the vowel has a friend, use just a K. This vowel does not need protecting from the monster. Why? Because it has a letter friend. A letter friend to look after it. Watch, the monster will run away. Well, I hope so, or it could get messy. Here it comes. I can't look. All these words have vowels with letter friends. They end with just a K. Remember, where the vowel has a friend, use just a K. I have completed my mission. No need to thank me. I know, I was so brave and handsome.